Hello and welcome. This is our project, the Smart Tracking System, and it falls under the domain of Internet of Things. The tracking services available in the market have one common problem. They do not provide the end user enough transparency about the status of their package in transit. And that is the problem we have tried to solve. We have tried to build an end-to-end system that provides the end user nearly 100% transparency about the conditions of their product while it is on its journey. Our system is particularly deployable in situations where the package is fragile or temperature sensitive. The solution we came up with was very simple. A small compact IoT device will be attached to every package that goes out. And this device will gather the data about the environment at particular intervals and send it back to a centralized database. The end user can access this data via a web page. And to ensure the authenticity of the data that is logged, blockchain is used so that the data cannot be tampered with. This is the block diagram for our project. The IoT device will send the data it generates to a node server. The node server will log the data into a centralized database and via a smart contract onto a blockchain as well. When the user asks for a particular data, the user interface will interact with the node server, which will then retrieve that data and send it to the user interface. This is what our hardware looks like. The figure shows the IoT module that gets attached to the item which the customer wants to monitor. The IoT device comprises of a temperature, humidity, and shock sensor, which gather the parameters. The Node MCU is used as the nodal processing unit that is capable of connecting to a Wi-Fi network and uploading the collected data onto a server. A GSM module is used as a fail-safe in case there is no Wi-Fi hotspot nearby. Once the data is uploaded to the server, it sends a copy of data to the blockchain using a smart contract, and here is where this data becomes immutable. In this figure, the list of blockchain transactions can be seen, which are nothing but records of data that are stored in the blockchain. From the list of transactions, if one of the transactions are maximized, then all the details regarding it can be viewed and verified by the user, as can be seen from this image. This is the web page which the user can access, and it has two elements, namely the map, which is seen over here, and a chart. The map shows the complete route traveled by the item in real time. This is a sample chart which shows the variations in temperature that are occurring in the vicinity of the item in real time. It makes it very easy for the user to glance through all the variations at once. There is also a notifier in the web page which alerts the user in case the parameters exceed their threshold limits. This was our basic project. Thank you.